Hey everybody, Zach Wolf here again from Majorspoilers.com. A listener a couple weeks ago suggested that I take the time to watch Chien, Andalou. I'm sure my pronunciation is of course wrong there once again. But we decided, since this week there will be no Zach on Film podcast, that we'll just record myself watching it as it's happening. We'll post a link to the exact copy of I'm watching it on YouTube, so you guys can maybe watch along. It'll be like a little mini bonus tracks for those members who aren't getting that each and every month. So anyways, here we go. We're going to watch this movie. I'll have my headphones on so you don't hear my audio over the recording, and we'll follow along. Reactions supposedly abound to this kind of weird movie. Alright, here we go. Hit and play in 5, 4, 3, 2, 3, 2, 4, 5, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, play. Chien, Andalou is, of course, a 1928 silent film. Oh, here comes the music. It's directed by Luis Buñuel and artist Salvador Dali. So we're getting some little scrolls here. Prelude in Isaud's Death by R. Wagner. There we go. Some music creds going on right there. Let's take these annotations off. No one wants those. No one has time for that. Copyright 1960, so obviously a little later. Mise en scene. There's Salvador Dali's name. Recognize that. Just a lovely credit sequence going on right now. Prise de voix. More text that I do not understand. Here we go. Here we start. Sharpening a knife. Ooh, smoking. Alright. Here we go. Oh, don't cut your finger. Why would you do that? A man is playing with a straight edge razor. I'm not risky enough to shave with one of those. I hate shaving enough as it is. Why would I want to use that? The moon, the cloud setting in. Hopefully there's a werewolf in this film. That'd be crazy. Oh, not with the... Oh, what? Oh, no. Oh, God! Oh, that's someone's eye. Oh, do not watch this with your kids, because that was terrifying. Let's just keep this gravy train rolling. A minute 50 in. Wow, they do not mess around. Here we're getting some faded cuts. Riding a bike through town. It seems pleasant. Hopefully more knives aren't involved. That'd be great. He's wearing some box in his chest. That can't be good. Let's be honest, that can't be good. No, a lovely lady is reading a book. Oh, there's the man riding a bike. Can't really tell what that was. Oh, there's the man riding a bike. Oh, he died. Whoa. Did he kill him? Did she kill him? Whoa, nice. Whoa, crazy angles they're using here from looking up down on top of the bike rider. He looks hurt. Walking down the stairs. Wow, good editing. 1928, man. Really cutting that time down. Oh, lovey-dovey, kiss the man who fell off a bike. Don't call for help. That would make no sense. Opens. Oh, please let there be something normal in here. Opening the box, taking out some form of paper hat. Nope, not a paper hat. She's completing a wardrobe of death, I do believe. I'm not entirely sure what she's doing. This surely is strange. Oh, someone's in the room. What's coming out of that man's hand? I'm sure that's the bike riding man. Just walk over there. Let's both look at what's oh, ants out of his hand. What the crap? I don't remember who suggested I should watch this, but they... Weird. Some armpit, I think. A sea urchin. A sea anemone, if you will. Oh. Alright, I get a little iris shot there from above. Pretty good angle. Pretty cool angle, I would say. There's a ruckus. Someone looks... Oh, it's a severed hand. That... Obviously, yeah. Obviously a severed hand. It's not garbage. You shouldn't just poke a hand laying there on the street. Police officer's like, you know, this is not natural. You should not be poking a hand. I'll grab the hand with my bare hand and put it back in this box of creepiness that the bicycle man was wearing. Alright, well, everyone move away. She has her hand in a box now. Nothing more we can do here. Scatter, scatter. She needs her hand. She should... Don't play in the middle of the street, lady. Oh, gosh, she's gonna get hit by a car. Oh, please don't get hit by a car. Lady. Oh, gosh, here it comes. Nope, she dropped... Oh, there's... Oh, she got ran over. Gosh, she just got her hand, too. I don't know, this is horrible. Police officers and neighbors just let this lady take a hand and just stand in the middle of the street. Oh. The man with the hole with ants coming out is now advancing on the woman in the room. I recognize this song. I don't remember what it is, though. Oh, fondling. No. No means no, sir. Do not do it again. No. Bad. Oh, her clothes disappeared. This man... I can't see the colors of his eyeballs. Yeah. Yeah, push him away. Good job. Yeah, that'll work. So this man was dead, right? Did I miss something? Alright, now he's crawling on. Oh, ha 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 ha! Little comedy. Oh, this makes me feel better. Oh, is he pulling that off the wall? What is he doing? Oh, he's pulling two pianos. Some carcass on them? Well, now I'm just confused. Oh, whoa. Now they're pilgrims. What happened to the piano? Oh, no, now there's a dead cow on the piano again. I am missing something here. This is weird. This is quite strange. Oh no, the ants are back. Oh, those stupid ants in his hand, dude. I'm just glad no one's cutting eyeballs. No one wants to see that. Another dead person. How many people are gonna die in this? Oh, not dead. Never mind. That's my bad. Called it too early. Can't read that. So I don't know what that title card said. It's a doorbell, just a man shaking a drink. What a great doorbell. Ding dong, here's a drink. I want that doorbell installed in my house. Haven't seen this man's face yet. Hopefully it's not brutally scarred. Oh, slap the man in the bed. Was that the bike rider? Oh, stupid bike rider. I don't know how much you guys are gonna learn from this. Zach on film tends to be somewhat educational. This one is. I mean, you can just extrapolate to this me watching some movie. This is how I watch a movie. I just don't know what's going on part of the time. I get time to reflect over it and give in-depth thought. This one, I'm just kind of letting my thoughts roll off the cuff, and I just don't know what's happening at all in this film. It's just really confused. This man seems stricken by slow motion. I must art. Here we go, art. No art. I'm gonna close my books. Really is good editing in this. Can tell you that right now. I mean, film hasn't even been around. I mean, 20, 30 years is a good timeline at this point, and editing theory kind of starts kicking in around here. I got some good ideas. I mean, Birth of a Nation was before this, if I remember. Oh, we got a gun now. But definitely some good editing techniques, close-up cutaways. We're not all just in a one large shot. Oh, lots of gunfire. Oh, yeah, see? Oh, we're outside. Again, this movie, dude. Oh, oh, wow, that was actually really good. That was actually really good visual effect there with her fading away. I mean, obviously no green screen at this time, but just overlay the film. That was really good. Hey, detectives, where'd this dead man come from? I don't know, someone shot him in an apartment and he died here. It's be a hard case to solve, I guess. Getting close to the end here. I got about 3 minutes left. And, I'm not sure they're gonna wrap up the story because I don't know how the story has progressed so far. It's just kind of been people being mutilated. Oh, it's kind of the music kind of feels like the final scene in a movie. Kind of far away shot. Hopefully it's, I guess 2 minutes left. Surely it's not 2 minutes of credits. Oh, nope. Back in the apartment. There we go. Ah, some moth-like creature is on her wall. I think moths are mostly made. Oh, there's an alien skull on this moth. That looks like doing some interesting irising, or maybe it's just lighting. A combination of both, casting these ellipses on these people. What's wrong with his mouth? Oh, my armpit hair disappeared. And I think it's on your mouth now. Yep. Oh. Bleh. I really don't understand this at all. Oh, we're on the beach now. Ah. What a suave-looking gentleman. Please help me. Everything in my life is strange. Look at this watch. he says. I don't want to look at your watch. Oh, we should be so cute together. Kissing, kissing. Fade. Couple walks down the rocky beach. No sandcastle building there. That is for sure. What do we got here? Oh, is that box of torture with a hand in it? Oh, look at these items I picked up on the beach. These will be wonderful decorations in our house. Dum, 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 dum. And in spring, says the title card. Of course, this is almost done, so... Oh, they're dead. That makes sense, because there's a skull on her shoulder and looks like a stick in his back, and they're dead. That's an appropriate ending, I guess. Fiend. Yeah. Well, that was certainly interesting. Maybe I should have read more about this, but in the title, it says the film has no plot in the conventional sense of the word. The chronology of the film is disjointed, jumping from the initial once upon a time to 8 years later. Those must have been the title cards I couldn't read. Without the events or characters changing very much, it uses dream logic and narrative flow that can be described in terms of then popular Freudian free association, presenting a series of tenaciously related scenes. Well, that kind of makes a little more sense. Well, that surely got some reaction shots from me there. Hope you guys enjoyed this. Sorry there's no Zach on film this week, but hopefully it's like a place. There might be another thing showing up on the website this week, video related. I don't know. Zach on film related? I don't know. But until then, make sure to head to majorspoilers.com, where you can find more podcasts from Top 5 to Critical Hit, a Dungeons & Dragons podcast, the regular Major Spoilers podcast, Wayne's podcast, a new Magic Minute podcast, where some terms of magic are described, and all sorts of comic review goodness, movie goodness there going on at majorspoilers.com. So again, I'm Zach Wolf, and we'll see you again next time.